Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Your girl is coming on with 3 easy DIYs to share with you today. And these are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 1. So we'll be doing some DIYs and a chit chat, telling you how I'm feeling and how I'm doing being back home from the hospital. And I want to share with you a bag that I had gotten for my birthday. So we're going to start with this tray that I have here that I got from the dollar store, and we're going to be spray painting it with some silver spray paint. And now it's a few hours later and the spray paint is all dry. Doesn't it look nice? Spray paint is silver. So I'm going to be coming over with these red mirrored tiles to put on the sides of our box, and they come with a self-adhesive on the back, so we're just going to place them going down. Today's DIYs, I'm going to be using some of these sweetheart sparkles I got from Totally Dazzle. Don't they look nice? Okay, so you guys, as you know, your girl is back home and I'm doing the best I can. I was away in the hospital for 2 weeks. I put up a post, and thank you so much for everyone that commented and made prayers for me on those posts. So I was having trouble breathing. Quick story, having trouble breathing, and went into the hospital. Then they found out that I had some blood clots go to my lungs. Yeah, so I had to stay there, and they were treating me with blood thinners and stuff to help me get a little better, which I'm still being treated with the blood thinners. Okay, now here are the gems that I'll be putting onto our tray. So like I said, I'm still having to take meds now that I'm home, and take it easy and relax. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do. And you know, I love doing my DIYs. I love crafting. It helps to relax me a lot. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys also a bag that I got for my birthday. And because I was sick, I was unable to share it with you. So give me a minute of your time and look at the bag that I received. Okay, here's the box that it came in. And as you can see, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. And here's how it looks inside the box. So we're just going to take it out. Put the box one side. And here is the bag. It comes in a nice dust bag. And here's the bag. Doesn't that look nice so far? OMG. And there's the side, the back, the bottom, and the other side. So let me just open it up. There we go. And inside, there's the straps. So I'm going to clean it up and come back. Alright, here it is all cleaned up, and I love the way it feels. It feels so nice. And I love that it has a little dent here at the side and the back again. And the other side. And there's the bottom. Now this little lock here is just a clip-on lock. It just snaps right into place, as you can see. And there is a little flap here. You can't store anything up there. And it has a storage pocket inside, and then a big open space for you to put whatever you like. And like I said, it snaps in place. So it has this gold strap here, which is a smaller strap. You could use that, or you could place it on the front and let it hang like a little decor. And of course, it has the other strap. Here, you can wear it short like this, or you can expand it. See how it expands? And you could wear it longer on your shoulder or crossbody. And if you don't want to, you can just make it short again and use it as a short strap. I love how it looks. I think it looks so super cute. Here we go. And because I was sick, I wasn't able to go out with my bag like I planned. I was going to celebrate for the whole of January for my birthday. But you know, the Lord had other plans, and we just have to take each day as it comes and be thankful for whatever we get. But this is the bag that I had gotten for my birthday. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I love it. And I got it from a company called First Bags. I will leave their links down below and any discount codes that I have for you guys. if you decide to purchase this bag or any item off of their site. They have a wide variety of things for you to choose from. And like I said, I'll have everything listed down below. Okay, so back to our tray. I'm going to add some legs that I got from Amazon. I'm just using some hot glue and putting it to the four corners of our tray. And here is how our tray turned out. I like how it looks, and I love the sweetheart bling from Totally Dazzled, their Valentine's collection. I think they look lovely. And you can have the tray with the legs or even without the legs. It will still make a beautiful display, tray, trinket, anything you'd like to hold into your tray. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. And now we're going to go on to DIY number 2. Again, we have our tray, and we're going to spray paint this one with some black spray paint. Okay, here's how our box turned out. So for this one now, I'll be using some gold mirror tiles to go around this box. And once again, they have the self-adhesive, so we're just going to put them going around our box. Now, I was telling you guys, I was having the trouble breathing, found out that I had blood clots went to my lungs, and also, because I had the blood clots went to my lungs, it also affected my heart. Yeah, because my heart had to be working double time, so they said there's a little stress on my heart because of the blood clots, but with time, it will go down. The stress that's on my lungs, the stress that's on my heart. I'm sorry. Anyways, now we're going to be adding some of this going around, and I'll be using the hot glue. And here we are. We're going to be adding some more of our sweetheart gems onto this vase in gold. The other ones were silver, these ones are gold. Now I'll be adding legs to this one. These ones I'll be adding some round legs. Again, just using some hot glue. Here's the finished look for our second DIY in gold. I like how this one turned out too. I think it looks very nice. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. And now for our third DIY. I have this vase here, and I am just going to use some of the bling that I got from Totally Dazzled, their sweetheart collection, and add it to our vase just to give it a little added touch of glamour. And here is the finished look of our vase. As you can see, I added some flowers inside our vase, and I think it looks super cute. See how nice and easy it was just to add some added touch to a vase, and you get a beautiful look to display on your dining table, anywhere throughout your home, your coffee table. It looks absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I'd like to thank you once again for all the lovely wishes and prayers that I received from you guys. And don't worry, I am taking it easy. I have to. And I do take my time with my crafting. So don't worry about that. Alright, you guys. Remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.